Cross-country ride at Lismore 2019. The Lismore cross-country ride took place on St. Patrick's Day 2019. Lismore is a heritage town in County Waterford and is popular with tourists. The day was cold, breezy, with sunny spells and scattered showers. The horses and ponies were unboxed in the grounds of Lismore Castle. There were 75 riders. The riders were children and adults. The event was suitable for all levels of riders. Hacking across the road bridge over the River Blackwater with the castle in the background. Lismore Castle was rebuilt to a much larger size by the Duke of Devonshire 169 years ago in 1850 in the Gothic Revival style. The castle is a large country house that was designed to look like a castle from medieval times. The cross-country course headed upstream along the northern bank of the Blackwater. It crossed the Lismore to Fermoy Road at Ballysaggartmore and headed west before returning to Ballysaggartmore. The Fort William House and Estate is on the far side of the river. The course was 14 kilometres long and scenic, along roads, forest tracks and through fields, with various landmarks on the route, and included a selection of optional man-made natural jumps. St. Mary's Abbey, Glencairn, is in the background at the far side of the river.
How you all keeping good?
Hello.
Passing through the ornate entrance gateway with lodges out of the Ballysaggartmore estate, the bridge and gateway are 750 metres apart. Crossing the road again, jumping across a stream. Hacking along the bank of the River Blackwater that was in flood.
got the young fun out of it, huh?
Refreshments were served. The many volunteers who contributed to the success of the event are to be thanked, along with the landowners who allowed the course to go through their lands. Driving home after an enjoyable day. Photographs of Lismore town, castle and the River Blackwater. Photographs of nearby towns, attractions and landmarks. Lismore is a good base for those looking to explore the best of Ireland and engage in outdoor activities. Please like, share and subscribe.